Imagine waking up one morning with a sharp pain in your lower back. It is not just any ordinary discomfort, but a deep, throbbing pain that makes it hard to even sit still. After a quick visit to the doctor, you hear those dreaded words, "You have kidney stones." If you have experienced it before, you know how painful it can be. If not, you are lucky, and this video might just help you stay that way. Today, we're going to talk about 7 natural and safe ways to detox and cleanse your kidneys, and even help dissolve kidney stones over time. These methods are backed by health experts, and they are simple enough to try at home. So, stay with us until the end to learn how to keep your kidneys clean, pain-free, and functioning at their best. Welcome to our channel, where we share science-backed natural health tips that are easy to follow. If you are new here, please make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss our weekly health videos. Let us begin with the first and most important method: staying hydrated. Drinking enough water is one of the easiest and most effective ways to flush out toxins from the body. Your kidneys act like filters. They remove waste and extra fluids from your blood and then pass them through the urine. When you do not drink enough water, minerals and salts can clump together, forming crystals. These crystals can grow into stones. To prevent this, aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every single day. If you live in a hot climate, or if you exercise regularly, you may need even more. Drinking water throughout the day helps to keep your urine diluted, which makes it harder for stones to form in the first place. Clear or light yellow urine is a good sign that you are drinking enough. The second method is using lemon juice. Lemons are not just for flavor. They contain citrate, a natural chemical that helps prevent calcium from sticking together and forming stones. Citrate can also break down smaller stones, making it easier for your body to pass them without pain. Try adding the juice of half a fresh lemon to a glass of warm water every morning. It is refreshing and gives your body a gentle cleanse to start the day. You can even drink lemon water twice a day for better results. Just make sure to use fresh lemons and not store-bought juices with added sugar. Next, let us talk about apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which may help soften and break down kidney stones. It also helps to alkalize your blood and urine, which can reduce the risk of stone formation. To use this method, mix 2 tablespoons of raw organic apple cider vinegar into a glass of water. Sip this drink slowly before meals once or twice a day. Be careful not to overdo it. Drinking too much apple cider vinegar can lower potassium levels and harm tooth enamel, so moderation is key. Also, always rinse your mouth with plain water afterward to protect your teeth. Now, let us move on to something you might not have heard of: basil juice. Basil contains compounds like acetic acid and essential oils that help balance uric acid levels and support kidney health. This is especially helpful if your kidney stones are caused by high levels of uric acid in the body. You can make a simple basil tea by boiling a few fresh or dried basil leaves in water for about 10 minutes. Let it cool slightly and drink it 2 to 3 times a day. You can also add a teaspoon of raw honey for added taste and health benefits. Not only does basil support your kidneys, but it also reduces inflammation and helps fight infections. Another wonderful natural remedy is celery juice. Celery contains antioxidants and natural diuretics that help your body flush out toxins. It is believed to increase urine production, which helps push out small stones and prevent new ones from forming. To prepare celery juice, blend 1 or 2 fresh celery stalks with a glass of water. Strain it if needed, and drink the juice once a day. Make sure you are not allergic to celery before trying this method, and avoid it if you have low blood pressure or a bleeding disorder. Let us not forget the power of pomegranate juice. Pomegranates are full of antioxidants that support overall kidney function. They help lower the acidity of urine, which reduces the chances of stone formation. Regular consumption can also improve hydration and digestion. Drink 1 glass of freshly squeezed pomegranate juice once a day. You can use the whole fruit or get fresh juice without added sugars. If you are taking medications for blood pressure or cholesterol, consult your doctor first, as pomegranate may interact with certain drugs. Here is another lesser-known method: kidney bean broth. Kidney beans are not just good for your diet. Their broth has long been used in traditional medicine to support kidney health. It is rich in fiber and minerals that improve urinary function and may help break down kidney stones. To make kidney bean broth, Soak dry kidney beans overnight, then boil them until soft. Strain the beans and keep the liquid. Drink the broth warm or cool throughout the day. It is a comforting, natural way to support your kidneys. As a bonus tip, we also want to mention something very important. Avoid drinking too much soda. Sodas, especially those that are dark-colored and contain phosphoric acid, can increase the risk of kidney stones. There are real cases of people developing multiple stones simply because of high soda consumption. Try replacing soda with water, herbal teas, or natural juices to protect your kidneys in the long run. Taking care of your kidneys should be a daily habit, not just something you think about when you are in pain. By following these natural methods, staying hydrated, drinking lemon and apple cider vinegar water, using basil, celery, and pomegranate juice, trying kidney bean broth, and cutting down on soda, you can give your kidneys the support they need to stay clean, healthy, and stone-free. Before you try any of these remedies, remember to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any medical conditions or are taking medications. Natural remedies can be powerful, but they work best when used safely and wisely. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips every week. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video, and we would love to hear from you. Have you ever tried any of these remedies? Or do you have your own tips for kidney health? Leave a comment below and let us know. Thank you so much for watching, and take care of your health. See you in the next video.